Did you know that K-pop demon hunters are a fascinating blend of music fandom and supernatural myth? Intriguingly, these characters originated from a popular online comic series where fans imagined their favorite idols as part of a secret battle against dark forces. The story goes that these demon hunters possess special powers derived from K-pop idols, energetic performances, and vibrant personalities. Fans quickly embraced this idea, often creating their own stories about idols fighting demons during their off-stage time. One interesting fact is that each demon hunter character is inspired by a different K-pop group or solo artist, symbolizing their unique abilities. For example, a character based on a boy group might have super agility, reflecting their energetic dance routines. Another character, inspired by a powerful vocal soloist, could have the ability to manipulate sound waves to fight evil spirits. Interestingly, some demon hunters are depicted as having a close bond with their fandom, occasionally seeking help from fans in battles. In these stories, the fandom becomes an army, decoding mysterious messages and even battling demons through online quests. Did you know that the concept of demon hunters in K-pop fan culture has inspired cosplay events? Fans often dress up as their favorite demon hunter characters during conventions. These cosplayers craft intricate costumes, combining K-pop fashion styles with supernatural elements like glowing weapons and mystical symbols. Many fans believe that these costumes bring their favorite idols, strong and charismatic energy, into reality. Moreover, some online communities create fan art depicting idols as powerful demon hunters wielding magical microphones or shimmering swords, which is a creative fusion of K-pop aesthetics and fantasy storytelling, boosting the genre's popularity among fans worldwide. Interestingly, some K-pop idols have even referenced demon hunter themes in their music videos or stage performances. They incorporate supernatural visuals and mystical symbolism to entertain and enchant their global audience. Did you know that the stories about K-pop demon hunters extend beyond fan fiction into official merchandise? Limited edition toys and collectibles often feature these characters. Collectors love to gather these items, believing they bring good luck and protection against evil spirits. In particular, a popular line of figurines shows idols transformed into demon hunters ready for battle, complete with accessories and vivid outfits. And it's remarkable how these stories create a sense of unity among fans, as they share theories and hopeful predictions about their favorite characters' adventures. Some online forums are dedicated entirely to discussing demon hunter lore and artwork, fueling the fandom's creativity. Interestingly, the mythos has become so popular that some fans organize themed dance competitions inspired by demon hunter battles. Participants perform choreographies that mimic fighting demonic entities while wearing cosplay costumes. Did you know that in some stories, demon hunters undergo training, much like idol trainees, to master their supernatural powers? This narrative parallels the journey of becoming an idol, emphasizing dedication and growth. Many fans find these stories inspiring, seeing their favorite idols as heroic defenders of peace and love. Some accounts suggest that the Demon Hunter myth series has even influenced K-pop fandom's support culture, promoting positive messages and unity. Fans use these stories to encourage kindness and resilience within their community. Interestingly, the Demon Hunter themes have been featured in fan-made music videos, where idols Sonic dynamically fighting evil while dancing. This creative fusion showcases how K-pop fans blend fantasy with their love of music and performance art. A fascinating aspect is how some fans believe that their favorite idols' representations as demon hunters can bring them strength during challenging times. For example, seeing their idols in heroic roles motivates fans to overcome personal obstacles. Other fans love writing fan fiction that depicts epic battles between demon hunters and dark forces threatening their world. These stories often include themes of friendship, sacrifice, and hope, resonating deeply with the audience. Did you know that some schools even organize storytelling contests where students create demon hunter adventures inspired by K-pop themes? These activities foster creativity, cultural appreciation, and teamwork among young fans. In conclusion, the fascinating world of K-pop demon hunters offers a unique blend of musical passion, supernatural storytelling, and community spirit. Through art, cosplay, and narratives, fans worldwide celebrate their love for K-pop while engaging in creative, empowering stories about heroes fighting evil. Indeed, this fascinating phenomenon demonstrates how fandoms can grow into a vibrant, supportive universe of imagination and unity.